Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how cyclones are named in Indian Ocean. You must be very curious after hearing the news that a cyclone named Hudhud is heading towards Indian Ocean, heading towards India in the Indian Ocean, towards the Bay of Bengal. It has already crossed Andaman and Nicobar Island. So you must be curious about the name Hudhud. Where does that arise? That name arises. There is a mechanism. There is a mechanism for naming the cyclones in Indian Ocean. In that mechanism, there are 8 countries which are given the responsibility to name the cyclone, which are Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. So there is a strict procedure, and we follow that procedure to name this cyclone. Okay, so you can see here the list of countries. Each country provides 8 name to the pool. Here you can say 8 names, 8 names. And what happens that we start one by one. We start one by one and go down. For example, I can say the first cyclone that was named after 2004, at the time when the committee was formed, was named Onil, which was the name given by Bangladesh. Then Agni, which was the name given by India. Then Hibaru, which was the name given by Maldives, and so on and so forth. You can see that all these are the cyclones which have occurred between 2004 and now. And recently, this is the cyclone Hudhud, which is heading towards India. This cyclone is heading towards India right now. As I am speaking, it is heading towards the Odisha coast. So the next cyclone will be, if the cyclone will be coming, it will be named Nilofer, and the name will be given by Pakistan. So this is the list. I'll be posting this list in the link below. You can have this list, and you can you can easily understand that how the names are given, because next name will be Nilofer, after that Priya, which will be given by Sri Lanka, and before Hudhud the cyclone name was Nanauk, and it was given by Myanmar, and before that it was Madi, which was given by Maldives. Earlier, what used to happen was the cyclones used to be named after specific latitudes and longitudes, which made their name very cumbersome. It was really difficult to remember, and it was error prone. And then after that, the cyclones were used to be named after women. But now, as there is a committee consisting of 8 member countries, and there is agreeable defined rules to name the cyclones, it has become a procedural thing. Means there are codes how to write the names, and all the names have already been defined, and it has been approved by the meeting which occurred in Oman. They went through a very lengthy meeting and approved all these names. So I hope you guess. I hope you get how the names are assigned to the cyclones. I'll be making similar videos, and if you have any doubt, you can comment on the section below. Please subscribe to my channel for